Here we go, we have Samsung a52s with no service or so-called antenna problem. It's a common problem on this device and let's just fix it. Problem is causing from this charge port, board actually, or we can say duct. The only thing we need to do is to change that charge port. Let's do that. Now I am trying to change this. This is a new one for a52s, and I'm just changing it into the new one, and then we gotta check it. Yeah, the new one is right here. Let's put it on. Connect the battery, just power the phone. Let's see if it fixed or not. And here is the old old charge port, which the antenna wire connects to right into it. Yes, we have it. We have the antenna fixed. Right now you can exactly see it right here, and everything looks okay. Let's just dial. We have the IMEI number right here. We did a new back to life to the antenna of a52s right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more and more videos. Thank you very much.